6, we're shining a light on an issue with a very dark past: radiation exposure from nuclear weapons testings or work in uranium mines.
Yeah, this is a federal act that provides payments to people who get sick from those exposures, but it could expire in just months. So tonight, ABC 15's Rachel Louise Just speaks with a woman who says she lost her own husband and father to radiation exposure and is pleading with Congress to renew the program again.
Sherry Hanna is looking for justice, and the clock is ticking.
This is so critical. It would be just unconscionable if Congress cannot come together.
All hoped for results were achieved.
The issue goes back generations when the U.S. began nuclear testing on its own soil. Americans didn't get warnings about the risks of nuclear radiation.
They knew that there were dangers associated with this.
Countless Americans faced radiation exposure and were handed down a death sentence. The issue is personal for Hanna. She lost her father, Kenneth, in 1983 from esophageal cancer. Exactly 30 years later, her husband was taken by non-Hodgkin's lymphoma.
It's hard enough when you lose your dad or you lose your husband, but to know that they're possibly were infected with this cancer because of something the government took part in and authorized, then it's very distressing.
And their cases just scratch the surface of the problem.
In the current program, Arizona has the most claims of any state in the country.
Arizona was home to much of America's uranium mining and was downwind from nuclear testing in Nevada and New Mexico.
In the 1990s, the U.S. created the Radiation Exposure Compensation Act, or RECA, which deals with the number of growing medical bills surrounding exposure here in the United States. It's set to expire, though, in June, and so-called downwinders say they want more than just the bare minimum.
It's not enough to just extend the program as it is because it has these really major flaws. And, these communities in some cases have been fighting for coverage for, up to 80 years.
They want to expand it to cover all counties in Arizona and increase payments. The main pushback over the extension has been the $8 to $10 billion annual price tag. Still, just a fraction of what the U.S. spends on maintaining nuclear weapons.
When you expose your own citizenry at the cost of their lives, that is wrong.
The expansion has already passed the Senate, but the U.S. House has less than a month of working days left to approve the bill before RECA expires. President Biden has signaled he'd sign the bill if it reaches his desk. For ABC 15's political team, I'm Rachel Louise Just.